I have always loved stalactites, stalagmites, and caves. And I was researching on the NPS, National Park Service website, on Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, and they got a bunch of really cool stalactite formations in there. And they explain this process of forming stalactites as fragile and slow. Both calcite and gypsum formations in Mammoth Cave took thousands of years to form. Now, they are fragile, but maybe not as slow as science believes. Now, you'll find in other scientific research that they believe a stalactite takes about 1,000 years to form an inch. Okay, so what happens when a scientist goes into the basement of a pub that was refurbished in Northern England in 1795 and finds these? Yeah, that is the Northern England, the Anchor Inn. The thing was refurbished in 1795, so just over 220 years ago. And now, just to give you an idea of the scale, you can see these things have formed quite more than an inch. In fact, if this was a scientific calculation in a cave, this business would be 36,000 years old. We need to congratulate them on how long they've stayed in business. Now, many will tell you, because science has to explain this, right? Well, it's totally different when it's not a cave. It does a totally different chemical process. But if you look at the chemical process, it's actually identical. When we test the chemical structure and makeup of the stalactites, they are indeed identical as well. So somebody's making a wrong assumption.